Welcome to the Gallem Kitchen, and today I'm gonna make you a blueberry mojito. Okay, let's go. So we have all the ingredients and ready for go, except the ginger, but we bring it in the last part. All right, so you're gonna need like 8 blueberries. All right, so me I drop in more than 1 blueberries cause me like whole heap of blueberries in mine. All right, and then I'm gonna put in a couple mint leaf from my garden out the door. I'm gonna make sure I cut my lime. All right, so see my ginger yeah come in. Me get like 3 pieces of ginger because I love the ginger. So right now me just squeeze in my lime, not lemon, lime. I always mix up the two, so say forget it right this time. I'm very proud of myself. So right now we're gonna machine everybody together because we want the flavor to infuse and to come together, all right? Because remember now, a blueberry mojito. Yeah. Come in, machine, girl, mash. All right, then I'm gonna open up my ginger ale. I'm not use cup soda, I'm gonna use ginger ale. So, I use the spicy ginger ale, the brand yeah. And I'm gonna want to stir it around, maybe adding some ice, because I want it nice and cold, all right? Because it's a nice hot summer. Yes, summer drink. All right, then I'm gonna pour it in a nice glass. Watch it, man. Oh, man, tell us, this a drink, yeah? They bought with a nice fresh ginger in it and blueberry. May I tell us, nice. So I did have to top it up because I didn't want it a little bit over the top, But true said the frat, we dip on the top, it did take some time. So now I'm gonna garnish with some blueberries. But just put on 3 pound on stick and I just stuck it up on the top. I'm here tell you say that drink here do nice. Watch it, man. Look how it turn out. But hope say you tell your mama, papa, auntie, and uncle. And I love you and I hope you really enjoy this. Okay, this is quick and easy drink for you. So have a nice day. I love you. Bye.